Get ready, Nate.
Real fan with the Preacher Man, with Trackside Nick and Trackside Nate.
Yes, sir.
We made the date.
Waiting on a duo phase 7 here on the Sunset Limited.
Westbound Sunset Limited, like he said. Got 2 phase 7s on it, and he's highballing. Here we go. When you know a pickup truck will get in our way.
It's always nice, man.
Yeah.
A little bit of heat.
Yes, indeed. That's all right. He rolled the night.
Yeah, there ain't no chasing him.
No. No chasing him.
You got to get started well before he even gets to you and wait for him.
That's all right. Y'all be blessed. We holler at y'all. Till next time, Preacher Man out.